Good evening and welcome to tonight's edition of Techminis News Roundup. Firstly, ChatGPT Plus subscriptions, including early access to GPT-4, are now available in India through OpenAI. The advanced language model boasts enhanced creativity, visual comprehension, and context handling abilities and can process up to 25,000 words of text. Next, Zoho plans to recruit 1,300 new employees for its upcoming office in Madurai, India, as part of its long-term strategy to expand in rural areas despite a recent slowdown in hiring due to slower growth. In other news, former Tinder engineers have created Cupid Bot AI, an AI chatbot that talks to users' matches, swipes left and right on dating apps, and notifies them only when a date with a match is arranged. However, the chatbot's authenticity is unverified, and readers are cautioned against making payments to the company. Next up, WakeFit, a sleep solutions company in Bengaluru, granted its employees a holiday on World Sleep Day, calling it the gift of sleep. The company focuses on improving all aspects of rest, including afternoon naps, to enhance memory, concentration, and productivity. Finally, Microsoft has unveiled an AI-based productivity suite called Microsoft 365 Copilot, which utilizes large language models to enhance all Microsoft 365 applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. The product is being tested with 20 clients and will soon be available to a wider audience. And that concludes our Techminis News Roundup for today. Join us tomorrow for more.